Hi, good day, Ma'am Evelyn. Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, I'm Evelyn Espunan, 30 years old, single from Philippines.
All right. Please tell me about your educational background.
I graduated with Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in marketing.
So, did you finish your college?
Yes po, ma'am. Year 2021.
All right. Then, where do you live?
Ma'am,
Where do you live?
I live in Philippines, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes po, ma'am. Two brothers and three sisters.
All right. And then, what is your marital status?
Single.
Okay. Do you have any kids?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, how do you describe yourself?
I'm strong, independent woman.
Are you a hardworking person?
Yes po, ma'am. Hardworking, ma'am.
Okay. So, why do you want to apply abroad?
Because I need to build small business.
Okay. So, do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes po, ma'am. Year 2023 to 2026 from Malaysia.
Okay. So, did you finish your contract?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is your duties and responsibilities as a helper in Malaysia?
My duties and responsibilities is to take care of the two elderly because the knee joint of the male elderly is not strong, and the female is I always remind her because she always forgets. And I go with them wherever they are and prepare the medicine, ng washing the clothes, ironing, car wash, and the general housework.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. And then, are you scared of dogs and
Thank
cats?
you. Ma'am?
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, for the last question, Ma'am Evelyn, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Nang ma'am and sir, please hired me to become your nanny, and because I am loyal, and I'm loving the kids and elderly. And that's ma'am, and thank